In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit a coupon or voucher for your website. Recently, WordPress updated the website where coupons have moved from products, they used to be hidden under products, into the marketing section of the menu. So go hover over the marketing section, click coupons, and it will upload a new section for you. So what we want to do is we want to create our first coupon, and we want to create rules for that coupon to help us offer great discounts to people and create different limits to people as well. So my first coupon, I'm actually going to name it 10% off. Okay, or you can click generate coupon code. So we will leave the name as 10% off. So what we are offering our clients is we're going to offer them a fixed cart coupon discount. We can change this to a percentage. So if someone purchases €100, they get a 10% discount or a 20% discount. You can change it to fixed cart discount. So it is for everything that is in your cart, giving a value of the order. So maybe they're going to order €50 or €1,000. They'll still only get the same value that you dictate at the start. This would be for someone, maybe you are offering a €50 coupon to someone. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start off with a percentage discount for 10%. We're going to say it is 10%, so 10. You can hover over the indicators or the question icons throughout the website. So we're saying percentage discount, coupon amount 10%, and you can allow free shipping for this as well, but you do need to have a free shipping method set up on your website if you're offering this. The coupon expiry date we want to put in for 1 month's time. So we're going to say at the end of April, this coupon is going to expire. We then want to add usage restrictions. So if you want to earn this 10% discount, what you need to do is you need to at a minimum spend €100. If you're spending €100, then you'll be eligible for that 10% discount. Same thing if you want to keep it where only smaller orders are getting that 10% discount, maybe you put a max of €1,000. The majority of the time, I imagine you would not be using a max spend. Is this for individual use? So this is you only want to give one person a coupon code and it can only be used once. So we will click that today. We're going to say minimum spend €100 to get you 10%, individual use only. So that means individual use only means that you can't use it along with other coupons. So if you wanted to allow people to use 3 or 4 coupons at one time, don't click this button. If you only want it to work with or without sale items, then again, you can exclude sale items by clicking this button. If you want to only offer the 10% discount to a specific product or a few products, then you would be able to put in the product name here, and it will come up for you, and you can only offer that product for this discount. If you want it to be available for everything on your website, you can just allow that to. You don't need to click any of these boxes. But if you want to restrict it to a category or a product or to exclude a category, these are the options that you need to edit. Then on the left-hand side again, you need to click usage limit and how many times you want this coupon to be used. If you only want to offer 10% to the first 10 orders, then you would put in 10. If you wanted to allow it to be used unlimited, you just leave it blank. You are able to specify this further by dictating the maximum number of individual items this coupon can apply to when using product discounts. Leave it blank to allow everything in your cart to be available for that discount. If you only want 2 items out of their order to get a discount, then you would put that to a certain limit. Most likely, again, you would ignore that. And then usage limit per person. So if you were giving a nice discount that you only want people to avail of for their first order or only one time, then you would put this in as 1. If you want to allow them to order 1,000,000 times from your website, then again, you can leave it as unlimited. We're now going to hit publish, and that is going to publish this coupon, which will allow people to purchase 10% off. And the coupon code is the name we have put in here, 10% off. So you would share this code with people, or if you want to generate a code, which would be more cumbersome, then send this across to your clients instead. Hopefully that helps. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below, Otherwise, check out our other videos where we break down website edits into bite-sized chunks.